Welcome friends and meat enthusiasts. Today we're doing some salmon. This is a recipe I've been working on for about 18 seconds. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. Just take some sea salt and lightly season the top of our bone marrow. Add in a little bit of black pepper. Overall, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, about 5 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then we're going to add a good amount of garlic cloves. We got ourselves a little bit of fresh oregano, not too much. So we're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes, not any longer than that, and then we're going to go ahead and throw it on the grill. In the meantime, we've preheated our oven to 450. We're going to get this marrow in there, let it go for about 15 minutes or until you see bubbling in the marrow. Bone marrow looks good. We're going to cook these salmon fillets on some cedar planks to add a little flavor. Salmon's good and marinated. Flipped it halfway through. Smells fantastic. Salmon's been going about 6-7 minutes now. Figure we'll go ahead and melt this grass-fed butter with a little bit of parsley. We're going to baste with that here in a few minutes. Being that this is a experiment for us and we've never done this and we just dreamed this recipe up, I like to go with overlapping procedures. That way nothing falls through the cracks. It's going to be good with the bone marrow, but why not butter baste it anyway? For convenience, we're going to consolidate our bone marrow. Cooked our salmon to about 125 degrees. We're going to top it with our bone marrow. We're going to see how it is. It looks like it's going to be pretty good. Bone marrow cooks down a lot more than you think. If you're ever going to experiment with it and see, I recommend getting more than you think you need. But it smells good. I can't imagine this is going to go wrong. Let's see how it is. Oh, that looks perfect. Look at that. It's flaky, it's juicy. Looks like it's going to be amazing. Let's see. It's magnificent. Best salmon I've ever had. It's like cheating using that stuff. I knew it would be. Wow. That is phenomenal. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.